All right, guys, welcome back to another episode here at Ibarra's Food Truck Builders. I'm Jonathan Ibarra, and today we're gonna talk about the street tacos #2 here at Walmart, the one on Nellis and Stewart. Right now we're setting up, check it out. We're getting everything ready. We're unloading from the refrigerator van onto the food trailer. All right, guys, come over here. Let me show you guys what we're setting up right now. We have the trash can again with our logo, just like we have in downtown. We have the bar top tables with our logos. We're setting up the tables. They're just unloading again the food over from the van onto the trailer. As soon as they get done loading everything in, we should be able to get started within about 45 minutes to an hour. Right here on Nellis and Stewart, 201 North Nellis. Come check us out. If it's a lot closer to where you live, you might want to come to this Street Tacos because the other one's over in downtown. ¿Cómo andamos, guys? Ya empezamos, guys. Y ya va a estar abierto aquí todos los días. Nada más como una horita más, ya empezamos. Listo, gracias, guys. Hasta luego. Okay, guys, so a lot of you guys wonder how to start a stationary food trailer. I want to show you guys a little bit behind the scenes on how it all goes down. So there's a lot of setting up, a lot of preparation. We were here last night closing off the parking spots so that today we didn't have any trouble putting the trailer or even just setting everything up. So you just want to be prepared. You want to do a lot of things when it's a less traffic so you're not bothering anybody around you, especially at the location that you're going to be at. You want to respect their space, make sure you get no complaints or anything like that, and really just giving everybody an overall good experience. Again, we're just setting everything up. We got the tables, we got the bar top tables, we got the refrigerator. They're loading up the food into the trailer. Very soon we'll be opening up, I think within about an hour. A little behind the scenes on what goes on when you're stationed at a location. Really important also your power, okay? Your power source. If the location you're at doesn't give you power, you want to make sure you have a generator. So you want to get a generator that doesn't make a lot of noise. As you can see, I'm a big fan of the pulsars. They're not that loud at all. You can barely really hear it. One of the generators I do recommend. They're very sturdy, very strong, and very reliable. So again, one of the generators I highly recommend. Keep in mind, you also want to weld it so that they can't be stolen, or at least it's a lot harder, of course. Another thing you want to add onto your trailer is make sure you have your hours on there. We just posted our sign right now. We'll be putting on the hours in just a few. We will be here matching Walmart's hours. So when they open, that's when we'll open. Again, we'll be closing when they close. Maybe a little later sometimes because if we do have a line, a lot of people showing up, we might stay open a little later. But again, we will be open during Walmart hours. Also, another big thing, just like I have it over on Fremont, Las Vegas Boulevard, you want to pay attention to the A-frame. Make sure you do the A-frame or something where it shows the pictures. You want to go with pictures. Remember, a lot of people do not like reading. They eat with their eyes, so show them something good to eat. Now, check out over here. They're installing the al pastor. The big al pastor with the pineapple at the bottom. Again, they're gonna fire this up very, very soon here. Be prepared to start serving. Okay, guys, I also want to show you exactly where we're at here at Walmart at the parking lot. As you can see, when you're looking for a stationary spot, you want to find somewhere where it's visible as much as possible. As you can see, this corner, when they come in to go to Walmart, you can't miss my trailer. When you're coming from that side, the north side going south, you can't miss it. Also from going from south to north. So it's always visible. As you can see, people are already honking. You want to be as visible as possible when you're stationary. This will bring you as much business as possible. So again, I highly recommend you guys find a good location just like this and continue to grow your business. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. We'll do it. I think this one's right here like this, right? Yeah, turn that way, go that way, like that. Yeah, like this. You can see this. I think we have it like this over there, huh? That's it, ahí está. That's it, yeah, perfect. Así ya, ahora sí ya. Hold that down, hold it. Así, listo, ábrenle aquí. Open it, sí, está abierto. Así, ¿ves cómo sí se agarra ahí? Ya. ¿Tienes una navaja para cortar eso? No puedo conmigo para que no van a quedar. no, I did. That's awesome. Do you think this will work out? 3 connections, or is that not enough? It's got 4. Or does it say outdoor? One of the great things about being at Walmart location is that I can just find everything here. Even groceries, yeah, in case I run out. All right, guys, so we're just walking out of Walmart, bought a few things that I needed, which is very handy. Check it out, man. Look how good that Street Tacos trailers look. All right, come on over here, guys. Let's cross real quick. It's gonna be really good. If you take a look, that's why I design my trailers the way I do. I don't put the frame on that corner. That way you can clearly see the Al Pastor. Check that out. Clear as day, you know exactly what you're getting. Okay guys, so this is exactly what a setup looks like. Sometimes it can get a little stressful at the beginning, and you know, everybody trying to do something different, but as long as everybody keeps calm, and everything always ends up working out. Also, keep in mind, just like my trailer over on Fremont Las Vegas Boulevard, it looks completely different from when I first opened up. That's because you start adjusting as the days go by, the weeks, and depending on, you know, what the needs that come up. If this really helped you out, guys, please do me a big favor. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.